Role, front office. Industry type, all. Ideal qualification, any graduate. Keywords in CV searching, front office, receptionist. Key responsibilities. Receive and direct incoming calls to respective persons. Answer queries over the phone. Greet the visitors coming to the office. Keep record of the visitors in the register. Handling incoming and outgoing couriers. Receive incoming goods to the office. May arrange hospitality service. Keep attendance. Key skills. Technical SEO pleasing personality. Should have good verbal communication. Guest handling. Receptionist activities. Telephone handling. MIS reporting. Administrative work. If interested for job change, you can upload your CV in the link given in the description box. For more videos like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.